Basically, we are given with a list of numbers. We have to find all the numbers starting with 1. Seems easy, but it's a tricky problem. Let's see how to do it. This is the question. So we have to find all the numbers starting with 1 using streams. You can see we are given with an array list. It contains numbers. There are some numbers that starts with 1. It seems easy, but if you think, right, in integers functionality, in integer class, there is no any method to find out starts with. So that's where the problem becomes tricky. So one trivial way is like by using kind of taking mod and taking division. So but that will become a tricky one because we have to reach the starting index. So we have to follow some little trickier approaches. But is there any easier way we can do it? So the output we are expecting is we can either print or we can capture it in a list. Maybe I'll go with a list. I'll go with list of integer, and we have to basically find all the numbers starting with 1. Numbers starting 1, I can say. So we have to basically stream the numbers. That's the first thing. So next thing is we know we have to filter. Filter is basically to filter out that criteria. Like then we can print that result. So in case filter is like a check, if check. In this we have to specify all the numbers starting with 1. Give me all the numbers starting with 1, and next we can print it. So how to do it? Because as I said, now let's say if I go with number here and let's say the num, there is no starting or ending and nothing is there. So what I can do is I have to convert this into string. Okay, easy ways I can go with string value of num. Once I convert the number to string, string has a functionality starts with. So here I can specify starts with 1. Now our problem is solved completely. I'll just move it to list, and we can just print the list here. So printing is straightforward. We'll use for each, and we'll use system out println. So this will print the result. Let's try to run it and check. So you can see, right? It has printed all the numbers starting with 1. So let's say requirement is bit different. Interviewer changed the requirement. He is saying list out all the numbers which are not starting with 1. So then it is pretty straightforward. Just put not here and run. This should basically get us all the numbers which are not starting with 1. I hope you got it. How you can use a negation here. And I think this is pretty much enough for this problem because we have some variations we'll discuss in the future questions. I hope you understood how to basically find out all the numbers just starting with 1. Easy ways like converting number into string and using string functionality. Here one minor thing you can do instead of string value of, what you can do is maybe you can go with string conversion here. This is another way you can do it. There's also another way converting number to string. But better is you can go with string dot value of, because there is already functionality which is available in the Java. So that's the best thing. You can use that library and achieve it. So I hope you understood this question, and I hope you understood how you can write the code for the same. Let's move on to the next question.